election
as a man den ka bu channe all these ones still na mothers abi the most foolish you just saw the most foolish generation, the most evil generation. You see this our generation you are saying. You have this number of nihilistic people because they were raised by useless men like these ones. You see when I tell people say please don't assume I'm referring to your mother, especially if you grew up in a responsible home. Now these kind of people, now then they born all these ones where they come here they type rubbish. Not them. Watch all the people celebrating this nonsense. Everywhere you see this video, go check the type of people where they celebrate them. Then you go know the type of where the foundation of these people where would they deal with come from. Singing about singing about death. We get kalu zuru which day. Uni agwe unu niile ga-abuse ahụ ka na Nigeria. Ka anyị unu gụrụ egwu a ka anyị mara one n'ime unu ọ ga-abuse ahụ. Orji Kalu is not somebody I emulate, it's not somebody I'm fond of. But how is this politics? Like, how does this solve any issue? Oh, you people have this energy and Okezie Bazu did complete 8 years in Abia State. Orji did complete 8 years in Abia State. What's the accusation against Orji Kalu that he was building Ijele, items, all those sides? Orji built where? Okezie Bazu built where? Your current governor has bought photocopiers 252 million or 54 million per unit of photocopy machine. Obugodo na ebidaya enwere importer na import photocopy machine na enweho adem ejuru 250 million in business. Many of them ade ejuru 250 million in business, but someone used it for one unit and they told it's clerical error. Have they returned the money? Where is the EU solar power money? Oh, you thought it's Abia State money. Where is the EU solar money? I'm asking you people, this is what I know. This is what I know to be true. Una happy bunu gane focus. Na go Orji Kalu go on. You probably didn't see the video. You may see it. Manakwe for you once again, I'm not Orji Kalu lover. Everyone knows, and those who know me personally know where my personal animus towards him is coming from. Till date, I'm still harboring grudge against him. And I will carry it to my grave. But that does not mean I will come and join you people. You know me peron na agreedi or those retired local ashawo no or ndo to man and the cano. And they can't all these ones so all these other women will give Abia State bad reputation. Not them be this. Do about women riot. About shade like this they take do about women riot. And some fools that don't know their history. Some useless people are now equating it to about women's riot. Those days, what were they rebelling against? They said they will pay tax. They told them never. But all these fools, anyone where they do business, where government they collect tax, if they pay tax, but those women refuse to pay shishi to anybody that they are mothers. Imagine that society compared to Nga. They check tanda shawuni do not cohede. na-eje ekpere ọjị ụzọ karịa ekpere ọnwụ. Unu niile ga-anwụchachakwa ifuru tọnda ga-agbagbu niile, etu a ga na-amagharụ IPU na-evi ya ka eji na-enwe ozi political conversation in an Igbo. Like he didn't, you could have found something else. Where are the placards? Go and check the archives of the Abia women's riots. See how determined they were and what they were fighting for. Nubiebana ejeje chikotachu nechu kai chip kai ethanol na ebucha mkpụrụ obi unu. No muheri cha beba na akohiri. Yekun chaka ndị mmanya ndị gburu mmiri.